The brace kit is from ShowKillaz Audio in Louisville, Kentucky. So it's a pretty nice kit, but we used 2 braces in each bag to minimize the rattles that all the force that this woofer produced were creating.
So when they come stock, they come at a universal length, and so what we got to do is we got to size it for the bag we're putting it in. Pretty much put it against the side, figure out the difference, go a little bit more because we can always adjust it out. Put a dab of epoxy on each side, extend them out so they squeeze into the epoxy, and then finish the epoxy all the way around. First, we want to scratch up the inside surface though, just so we can make sure that it has a good bond. Both at the same time,
So just about to the edge, an 1/8 inch over. Okay, so we scuffed the area where we're going to epoxy the braces. We have the tape so we know what height we measured it at. The reason this is important is the bag tapers. So the distance that we adjusted it to is referenced to the bottom of the tape on both sides. So there we go, we're pre-fitting it. We have them in there
very snug.
Very snug. We'll add the epoxy on both sides.
We'll fine tune it so it does not bulge out the other side.
So that's where we're going to mount them, and then we're going to start adjusting outwards. We want the bag to be as tight as possible without bulging the outside of the bag. This is what we like to use here, speed grip. If you use the 1 minute, be very careful because you got to be really fast. If you don't feel comfortable using the 1 minute, you can use the longer dry times. Set the height of the table saw blade about 1/4 inch. So you just want to score some grooves in it so the epoxy has somewhere to sit in and it keeps the dowel from sliding around. So we have them epoxied in place. As you can see, very little flex in the bag now. I'll take you over to stock bag so you can see the difference. The bag braces we normally use are from Tim Nagy at Nagy's Customs. So these are more of a pro level. The reason I say that is you get one shot to cut it. So if you measure it and you cut it too short, then you have to buy another one or use another one. So with the adjustable ones, if you cut it short, all you have to do is spin it out further and it extends and it continues to brace the bag. So with these, it's measure twice, cut once, because if you're short on the cut, you can't use the brace. So we use these, but we do it all the time. We have a template set up, so we just cut it to the template size and just put it in. So the adjustable ones are a lot more forgiving. Okay, we have them installed. They're epoxied in place. You can see they keep the bag from flexing, and then if you need any further adjustment, you turn here while holding the post in place. Makes it super easy for the do-it-yourself guy. They work really well.